Hello and welcome. I'm Chris, your host for this week's episode of the Sundance College podcast. Tune in each week for our latest industry insights, career advice, and student tips. At Sundance, we are a group of caring professionals dedicated to our students' success. Together, we work towards one common goal, supporting our students on their journey to a new career and a brighter future. And today, we have an exciting episode for you. We'll be discussing how to find a good work-life balance while at college. It all began with a simple curiosity, wondering what happens when you click a mouse or move your hand to make things happen on a screen. You've probably looked at a program and thought, wouldn't it be awesome if it could also do this? That curiosity led you to want to create, help, and change this world for the better. And that's what brought you to the idea of becoming a web developer. Learning about programming and web development can feel like opening a door to a whole new world. There is so much to discover, so much to solve, and so much to create. On the flip side, starting a new career is a huge step, and we want you to be sure it's what you really want to do, not just because of your gut feeling or job market demands. In this podcast, we want to share 9 reasons why becoming a web developer might be the right path for you. Plus, we'll share a special bonus of being a web developer that might make your decision even easier. So stick around till the end of the podcast. 1. Your web development skills are in demand. Let's look at some numbers about pursuing a web developer career today. In Canada, there are expected to be 10,400 new job openings for web designers and developers over the next 10 years. While there are opportunities for web developers across Canada, Alberta and Manitoba are particularly notable for their robust job markets in this field, offering a wealth of opportunities for professionals looking to grow their careers. The top 3 programming languages for web developers with the most job openings are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Opportunities are not restricted to tech companies. 55% of tech professionals work in sales, marketing, finance, HR, operations, and management. Businesses of all specializations and sizes seek to establish or improve their online presence, creating a high demand for skilled web developers. What does this mean for you? In summary, as a web developer, you can count on your skills always being in demand. This means you'll never have to worry about job security or income stability. 2. Web development opens doors to multiple career opportunities. Another great reason to become a web developer is the diverse options for career progression and growth. Once you learn web development, a world of opportunities opens up in different areas of the IT field. Here's a rundown of career paths in web development you can pursue. Web designer. As a web designer, you'll use your creativity and technical skills to design visually appealing and user-friendly websites. From layout and typography to color schemes and graphics, you'll be responsible for creating engaging online user experiences. Web developer. As a web developer, you'll use programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build and maintain websites and web applications. You'll work closely with designers and clients to bring their visions to life, ensuring that websites are functional, efficient, and user-friendly. Web technician. Web technicians maintain and troubleshoot websites and web applications. From fixing bugs and optimizing performance to implementing security measures, web technicians ensure that websites run smoothly and securely. Interactive media programmer. Interactive media programmers specialize in creating dynamic and interactive content for websites and web applications. Using technologies like JavaScript, they develop engaging multimedia experiences that captivate and retain users. Computer programmer. Experts in computer programming write code and develop software applications for a variety of purposes. With strong programming skills and a solid understanding of web technologies, you'll be well-positioned to pursue a career as a computer programmer in various industries. Whether you're interested in designing, coding, or quality assurance, learning web development provides you with a solid foundation for success in the IT world and beyond. 3. As a web developer, you have flexible working arrangements. Another great benefit of being a web developer is the flexibility it offers in terms of where and how you work. Whether you prefer the routine of an office, the comfort of your own home, or the exotic vibe of a Bali resort, the choice is yours. When you provide web development services, you can opt to be salaried employee. Enjoy the stability of a regular paycheck and the camaraderie of working alongside colleagues in an office setting. Freelancer. Make your own schedule and choose projects that match your interests and skills. Entrepreneur. Run your own software development company for greater sense of fulfillment, higher income, and personal growth. The flexibility that comes with a web development career means you can also choose the type of work environment, industry, and company that you work for. Every company needs a tech department, so the choice is yours. Working for a smaller company can mean more responsibility and greater creative freedom in your projects. It's an opportunity to truly own your work and bring your ideas to life, which can be incredibly rewarding. Working for a large corporation, you may have well-defined responsibilities, a specific tech stack to work with, and an above-average salary. You'll see career growth opportunities and your work projected onto a larger scale. With flexible work arrangements and employment opportunities in web development, you can customize your job to fit your lifestyle and preferences. This adaptability is why web development is an appealing choice for those seeking a technology career that blends professional fulfillment with personal freedom. 4. Web developers make good money. Whether you choose to work for a large corporation or a smaller company, the potential for earning a good income in software development is there. The lowest earning province for web developers is Saskatchewan, where you can earn up to $54.17 per hour, depending on your skills, experience, and company's requirements. This is nearly 4 times the provincial minimum wage of $14 per hour. The highest earning province for web developers is Alberta, where you can earn up to $86 per hour. On average, web developers in Canada earn around $80,000 per year. With competitive salaries, ample job opportunities, and the potential for career growth, web development can offer a pathway to financial success. 5. As a web developer, you know how things work. For many experienced developers, the number one reason they entered this career is simple. They want to know why things work the way they do. If you feel a similar curiosity driving you, a career in web development may be your calling. As a web developer, you can unveil all the nuts and bolts of how the digital world ticks, including programming languages and frameworks, experience the fascinating process of transforming code symbols into dynamic, fully functional websites. Front-end development. Witness how your coding skills bring captivating user interfaces to life, enhancing user experiences on the visible, user-facing side of websites. Back-end development. Gain insights into the operations behind the scenes of websites, from user authentication to data management and transactions. Responsive web design. Master the art of creating responsive web applications using tools like the ASP.NET framework, ensuring seamless functionality across various devices. Security and optimization. Learn to implement robust security measures, optimize website performance, and debug for a seamless user experience and data protection. Full website development process. Master every stage of website creation, from initial concept to deployment and ongoing maintenance. 6. Through web development, you bring new things to life. Back in 1995, 2 students from Stanford University, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, came up with a big idea: to organize all the information in the world and make it easy for everyone to access. They started working on it from their dorm rooms. They created a search engine called Backrub, which looked at links to decide how important web pages were. Later, they renamed it to Google. Imagine having an idea and making it real, just like Larry and Sergey did. Whether it's a cool new web app, a fancy website, or a useful digital tool, you can make it happen. The amazing thing about web development is that you can bring your ideas to life with just a keyboard and your fingertips. You don't have to be a genius or an artist, just curious and ready to learn. And the best part? You don't need anyone else's permission. You can learn everything you need regarding web design and development through self-paced post-secondary education, for instance, and turn your ideas into reality. 7. You build something on the web that people use every day. Some jobs are meant to go unnoticed. From janitors and office cleaners to admin assistants whose behind-the-scenes roles are instrumental to creating a positive work environment. Then, there are jobs that lay the groundwork for huge eye-catching structures, like architects, builders, or pavers. These professionals can point to their creations and say, "Look what I did." Just like these traditional careers, web developers play a crucial role in our daily lives as the architects of the online world. Take Sir Tim Berners-Lee, for example. He invented the World Wide Web in 1989 and wrote the fundamental technologies we still use today. HTML, hypertext markup language, the language that makes websites look the way they do. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, a unique address for each resource on the web. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It lets us get linked resources from the web. Tim also made the first web page editor and the first web server. Everything we use online today is based on his work. When you build something on the web, It's out there for everyone to see and use. You can share the link with friends and family, show it off to colleagues and clients, and see how people benefit from what you've made. There's something special about knowing that your work helps others and makes their lives easier. It's this real impact that sets web development apart and makes it so fulfilling. 8. Web developers embrace challenges through constant learning. Being a web developer is like being on a never-ending quest for knowledge. The field is in a constant state of evolution, with new technologies emerging all the time. Imagine you're 3 weeks away from the launch date of your food delivery website, and you discover that the payment gateway you always choose doesn't support instant payments in your client's country. This means couriers would have to wait days for their fees after completing deliveries, a situation no one wants. That's one of the examples of the challenges web developers need to overcome, and often at an extreme speed. Yet, it's precisely these challenges that fuel your passion for the job. Through running tests, analyzing data, and project-based learning, developers can see firsthand how their efforts have made a difference. It's like watching a puzzle come together piece by piece and seeing the tangible results of your hard work. 9. You are a part of a web development community. In web development, the people you work with can be just as important as the work itself. As a web developer, you're in luck because you'll be able to collaborate with a diverse team and access countless online communities right at your fingertips. The online community for developers is vast and vibrant, offering a wealth of resources and support for professionals at all levels. Whether you need technical help, want to share insights, or are simply looking to connect with peers, online communities offer valuable collaboration and assistance. Here are some popular forums and communities for web developers. Stack Overflow, a site where programmers ask and answer questions, troubleshoot coding problems, and seek advice from peers. GitHub, a platform for sharing and hosting code, featuring discussion forums where developers can make industry connections, collaborate, and learn from each other. Reddit, subreddits like r/webdev and r/javascript provide spaces for sharing news, asking questions, and discussing various web development topics. Dev.to, a community platform where developers share their knowledge and experiences through articles, tutorials, and discussions. FreeCodeCamp Forum, a supportive community for learners and developers interested in web development, offering forums, chat rooms, and study groups for networking opportunities and collaboration. By engaging with these online communities, you can gain access to a vast network of resources, support, and opportunities for your growth and success in web development. Your bonus: working as a web developer is fun. Being a web developer isn't just a job, it's an adventure. Each day brings new challenges, opportunities, and discoveries, making it an exciting and dynamic field to be a part of. As a web developer, you'll have the opportunity to work with startups and global corporations, explore cutting-edge tech industry trends, implement innovative ideas, and collaborate with skilled IT professionals from all corners of the globe. Moreover, you'll become part of an enjoyable community. Web developers are known for their unique sense of humor, customizing their laptops with stickers, gathering to play video games on PlayStation 5, or imitating characters from Japanese anime like Naruto Uzumaki, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Takeaway: if you're looking for a career that's challenging, rewarding, and above all, fun, look no further than web development. With its endless possibilities and boundless opportunities for personal and professional growth, a career as a web developer is a journey worth pursuing. Write your code for success with Sundance College. Being equipped with relevant skills and knowledge can be a game changer for success in your web development career. One effective way to prepare for this success is by enrolling in a reputable web development professional training program, and we have just the one for you. Our Web and Mobile App Developer Diploma program is designed to equip students with the essential skills, knowledge, and hands-on experience needed to launch their careers in IT. Why do we integrate mobile app development courses into our web development program? It's simple. 1. Today's business needs often demand responsive web designs and cross-platform mobile solutions, making coding proficiency in both web and mobile app development crucial. 2. Mastering both disciplines enhances your competitiveness in the job market, increasing your chances of securing a coveted position in the IT industry. You'll receive a well-rounded education. Guided by industry-experienced professionals, you'll gain the technical expertise and skills needed to excel in the field and become job-ready in just 1 year. With our personalized attention, career counseling, job placement assistance, and ongoing support and mentorship, you'll be empowered to achieve your academic and career goals and reach your full potential as a web developer. It's time to write your code for success. Take the first step by filling out our contact form today. Fasten your seatbelts. We're here to propel you toward a rewarding and fulfilling career in web development. That brings us to the end of this week's episode of the Sundance College podcast. Thank you for listening, and please check back next week for more of the latest industry insights, career advice, and student tips. Sundance College, where our mission is student success.